the numbers, okay? Get the number. What's the first one? Here you go. Look for number 1. Where's number 1? 1. Where's number 1? 1. Next number. Next number. Where's number 2? Number 2. Where's number 2? 2. Season 2. Next number. 3. Next. 4.
Yeah.
Next number. Okay, 5. 6. Number 6. 7. 6, number 7. 8. 8. Where's number 8? 9. Next, here's the number 9. Next, 9. Sige po, that's right, here. 9. Next, number 10. Where's number 10? Oh, look mo po. Where do you put number 10? Oh, look. Ayusin po. Where is number 10? Where's number 10? Next, 11. Where's number 11? Oh, look. Saan nilalagay si number 11? Again. Where's number 11? Next, 12. 12. Hazen, look at your work. Number 12. Hazen, 12. Where's number 12? 12. 13. 13. Where's number 13? 13. Where did you put number 13? 14. 15. 15. Is this number 15? No. Where's number 15? Okay, next. 16. 17. 18. 18. 19. And last one. 20. Oh, look mo. Saan nalagay sa number 19? Okay, there you go. Flex mo properly. High five. Okay. Do you want burger? Ate Hazen, burger? You want burger? Big burger? Oh, this is a plate. What is this? Plate. Yes, so let's put some glue. Let's make a burger. Hold this one. Hold your glue. Put. Like this. Okay, put mo daw yung bun mo. Bread bun. Okay, very good. Let's put another glue. Ang maganda ng glue. For the burger. Tap. Okay, next, let's put the beef patty. Wow, yummy. Sa glue, here. Put mo here, sa glue. Hold mo. Beef patty. Yan. Wow, yummy. Next. Tap. tap, tap, tap. Go. Tap, 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 tap. Put the mushroom. Mushroom. Put the mushroom mo. Very good. Wow, yummy burger. Next, again, tap, tap, tap. Tap, 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 tap. How about the sauce? Oh, here. Sauce. Dito, on the top. Yan. Salutin mo yan, lagyan natin ng glue. Wow, yummy. One more, one more. Tap, tap, tap. Tap, 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 tap. Next, tomato. Tomato. Wow, yummy. Okay, may isang picture. Tap, 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 tap mo daw. Tap, 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 tap. Next, again. Here, tap, 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 tap. Okay, next. Vegetable. Ano na yung vegetable? Vegetable. Fix the vegetable. Okay, very good. Oh, next. Tap, 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 tap. Ayos mo na yung vegetable mo. Ayos. Yan. Oh, next. Tap, 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 tap. 1, 2, 3. Okay, next. Patty. Wow. Yummy. Very good. Tap, tap, tap. Tap, 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 tap. Yan. Next. One more, one more. Hold the glue. Hold mo like this. Tap, 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 tap. Next. Sauce. Okay, very good. It's okay. Just a glue. Oh, next, how about the onion? Onion. Let's get some glue. Hello, teacher. Excess natin glue. Saan mo nilagay onion mo? Onion. Very good. Next, how about the cheese? Cheese. Tap, 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 tap. Tap natin glue. Lagyan mo tayong glue. Tap, 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 tap. Oh, cheese, cheese. Get me cheese. Cheese. Okay, very good. Cheese. Okay. Next, last one. Bun. And then, the bun. Yay! Wow! Yummy burger! Eat your burger. Yummy! How about? What is this? It's a burger. Yes, okay. What color is this? Blue, green, pink, yellow, and okay, very good. Where is the color? Orange. Oops. Careful. Here you go. Orange. Oh, no. Where's the color orange? Orange. Orange. Color orange. Where's the color orange, Hazen? Orange. Next, color. Green. Next one. Red. Next, color. Blue. Where's the color blue? Next one. Yellow. Where's the color yellow? Okay, good job. Next, color pink. Next one. Pink. Next, green. Oh no, where is the color green? Where's the color green? Okay, next one. Yellow. Next, orange. Oh no, look, where's the color orange? Next, red. Next, Blue. Where's the color blue? Blue.
Okay.
Next one. Blue. Red. Orange. Orange. Yellow. Yellow. Pink. 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 Color pink now. Where's the color pink? Yun. Okay, next. Red. Green. Orange. 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 Okay, next. Blue. Blue. Pink. 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 Green. 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 Color green. Green. Yellow. 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 Oh no. Yellow. 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 Red. Blue. Okay, next. Red. Red, red, red. Oh no. Okay, orange. Green. Blue. And orange. Last, pink. Okay, very good. Waiting hands ka. Next. Sort the shapes, okay? What is this? Triangle, star, square, oval, and hexagon. Sort the shapes. Okay, go get one. Oval. Next. Go, Hazen. Sa likuran lahat. Next shape. Oh, look. Is that right? Hazen, what shape is this? Hexagon shape. Where's the hexagon? Next shape. Next. Look mo po. Go, Hazen. Next one. Go, look. What shape? Triangle. Where's the triangle? Okay, very good. Next. Go, Hazen. Finish your work na. Do not remove the oval na. Finish na tayo sa oval. What shape is this? Square. Where's the square? Square. Okay, next one. Okay, next. Look at the shape. Star. Where's the star? Hazen, look mo. Where is the star? Star shape. Oh, no. That's hexagon. Okay, next one. Star. Next. Next one. Square. Oh, look. Where's the square? Oh, where's the square? Hexagon. What shape? Triangle. Oh, no. Look, where's the triangle? Do not remove now. Where's the triangle? Next one. Okay, next. Oh, look. Square. Square shape. Square. Let's remove the star. Where's the square? Next. Next. Hazen. Look. Hazen. Square. Last one. Oh, look. Where's the triangle? Ayun. Okay. High five na si teacher. Okay.